Okay, so we have been getting this one question everywhere. Our comments, DMs, reviews, and even when people walk into our stores, that why are Kanya scrubs not cotton? And I get it. Cotton has been the gold standard for ages. Your bed sheets are cotton, your favorite shirt is probably cotton, and every uniform you've ever worn growing up, all cotton. So today, we're going to settle this. I am going to tell you exactly why we didn't use cotton and what we used instead. But before we get into it, do subscribe to our channel for everything around medical life, the reality, the chaos, and the humor in between. And if you just want the quick pros and cons comparison, here's a timestamp to skip ahead. First things first, cotton is actually not a bad fabric. It's natural, it's breathable, and it's comfortable. When it comes to everyday clothing, cotton works great, but scrubs are not your everyday clothing. You're wearing your scrubs for 10, 12, sometimes 16 hours and moving constantly in them. And cotton, when you put it to those demands, it starts to struggle. So what did we do? We built our own fabric. Our scrubs are made from a polyviscose blend, which is durable, soft, breathable, and designed specifically for long shifts. Let me break down exactly why. Cotton is a stiff fabric with very little stretch, which means it can feel restrictive when you're moving around constantly. Whereas viscose has a better stretch and is a very soft fabric that drapes around your body, giving you a much better freedom of movement and honestly just feels smoother on your skin through a long shift. Over time, cotton clothes tend to shrink and color fades with repeated washes. And that's where polyester comes in. It keeps your scrubs looking new, holds the shape and holds the color with multiple washes. A much longer life for something that you're wearing this often. Now this one, I think we all already know. Cotton wrinkles a lot. And to look presentable in cotton scrubs, you need to iron them regularly, which is just not realistic when you're working early morning or late night shifts. Polyviscose is a wrinkle-resistant fabric, which requires minimal care and efforts to make it look presentable. And lastly, we all know cotton absorbs sweat, and that's actually one of the reasons why we love it. But here's what happens. Cotton absorbs the moisture and then holds on to it. So you end up feeling soaked and uncomfortable throughout the rest of your shift. Our fabric has moisture-wicking properties. In simple terms, it absorbs the sweat from your skin, but the moisture actually evaporates from the fabric much faster. So even if you're sweating, you don't feel it. The fabric dries quickly and you stay cool and comfortable throughout. So let's do a quick roundup of everything. Polyviscose, it wicks moisture and thus dries fast and keeps you cool. While cotton, it absorbs moisture but stays damp for longer time. This is wrinkle resistant and thus very low maintenance. This requires ironing before every wear and wrinkles easily. Polyviscose holds shape and color through washes, whereas cotton shrinks and fades over time. This has a smooth drape and fits well on the body. Cotton can feel stiff and give a boxy look. So that's your answer for why Kanya scrubs aren't cotton. To be honest, polycotton is a much easier fabric to source and is cheaper as well. But we wanted to build something that is focused on what medicos actually need. Something that is functional through long shifts. And if you got any more questions, please drop them in the comments below and we are here to answer them all. And if you stayed till here, then do like our video and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos.